How do you create a home that feels warm, peaceful, and comfortable even when the space is limited? The key is choosing the right layout, materials, and furniture pieces that work together without making the space feel crowded. In this video, you'll see how a modern Japandi interior with Scandinavian touch transforms small open-plan home using warm wood tones, soft neutral colors, and practical design solutions. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the base finishes, you can create a calm foundation by using warm and neutral materials throughout the space. For the walls, a soft beige tone helps make the room feel warmer, while the wood flooring adds natural texture and prevents the space from feeling too plain. For the ceiling, you can keep the design simple and clean to match the minimalist approach of modern Japandi. Instead of leaving the wall completely flat, you can add textured wall panel to create a more defined sleeping area. For the main furniture piece, you can use a wooden platform bed with built-in storage as it works well for a compact space because it keeps the visual height lower, helping the room feel more open. To complete the bed, you can use neutral bedding in soft shades that match the Japandi style. Beside the bed, you can add a wooden nightstand to create a practical bedside area where you can place everyday essentials. Above it, you can add a mirror to create a taller visual element beside the bed. To make the sleeping area feel warmer, you can place a textured area rug underneath the bed. Above the bed, you can add a simple framed artwork to give personality without making the wall feel crowded. Across from the bed, you can create a simple TV wall with wood panels and marble look panel. Then, you can use a floating console to keep the floor visible and helps the room feel lighter and easier to maintain. Since this is an open-plan space, the area beside the bed can be used efficiently by adding a freestanding wardrobe instead of adding separate storage furniture that can make the room feel tighter. For the windows, you can use full-height curtains to make the window appear taller while allowing you to control privacy and natural light throughout the day. For finishing touches, you can place indoor plants and simple decors. Finally, you can combine recessed ceiling lights with the bedside lamp to create different lighting options. By carefully choosing each element, you can create a bedroom that feels peaceful, practical, and easy to live in while maintaining the simplicity of a modern Japandi interior with Scandinavian touch, with an estimated total cost of $1,500 to $2,500. The goal is to continue the same design language that connect with the rest of the open-plan space. To define the dining area without fully closing the space, you can add a wooden sliding divider door. This feature works as both a functional and decorative element. It gives you the option to separate areas when needed, while still allowing light and visual connection to pass through. For the main furniture piece, you can use a round wooden dining table. The rounded shape improves movement around the dining area, especially in a compact space. For the seating, you can add 2 fabric dining chairs with wooden legs. To complete the dining setup, you can add simple table decor. Keeping the decorations minimal helps maintain the clean and balanced appearance of the space while still adding personality. The result is a simple yet inviting dining area that blends seamlessly with the rest of the home while keeping the space open and practical, with an estimated total cost of $1,200 to $1,500. Moving to the kitchen area, the goal was to create an efficient workspace that fits naturally within the open plan layout. Since the space is limited, you can use a single-wall kitchen layout to maximize the available area while keeping the dining and bed zones open. For the cabinetry, you can use custom wood finish cabinets with a simple flat panel design. The upper cabinets extend close to the ceiling, allowing you to maximize storage without taking additional floor space. For the countertop, you can use a marble look quartz countertop combined with a matching marble look backsplash. For the sink area, you can add a black undermount sink with matching faucet. For cooking, you can install a built-in induction cooktop paired with a slim range hood. Using built-in appliances helps maintain the clean appearance of the kitchen while providing everything you need for daily cooking. For the finishing touches, you can add simple kitchen essentials and decor, such as wooden chopping boards, small plants, coffee accessories, and containers. Across from the kitchen, you can still use the remaining space for a freestanding refrigerator placed inside a built-in enclosure. Placing the refrigerator separately keeps the main kitchen line clear while using the available space efficiently. For lighting, you can combine recessed ceiling lights for general illumination with under-cabinet LED strips to provide focus lighting directly on the countertop where you prepare food. The result is a simple yet functional kitchen where every element is carefully planned, creating a space that's clean and easy to use with an estimated total cost of $2,900 to $4,000. Of course, even with an open-plan layout like this, you still need a private and functional toilet and bath area that supports your daily routine. For the base finishes, you can use light beige porcelain tiles for the flooring and a combination of white marble look tiles and dark brown marble accent wall for the walls to create a brighter appearance and a stronger focal point. For the vanity area, you can add a floating wood vanity with countertop basin. Above it, you can install a large frameless mirror that helps reflect light around the bathroom and creates a sense of depth. For the toilet area, you can use a compact toilet with a simple shape that is practical for a smaller bathroom. Above it, you can install a wall-mounted storage cabinet with open shelves to maximize vertical space while adding storage and display. For the shower area, you can add a glass shower enclosure with a chrome rain shower system to create a modern detail that complements the warm wood and stone finishes. For lighting, you can use the same recessed ceiling lights used throughout the home. By combining practical planning, natural materials, and simple details, you can create a toilet and bath that feels comfortable and practical with an estimated total cost of $1,800 to $3,000. This Modern Japandi interior with Scandinavian Touch shows how thoughtful planning can turn a compact space into a home that feels warm, peaceful, and comfortable. By combining natural materials, simple furniture, and practical storage solutions, you can create an interior that looks beautiful while still supporting your daily lifestyle. Which area stood out to you the most? The bed area, dining area, kitchen, or toilet and bath? Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. If you're a professional or student looking for a faster way to create your floor plans, check out Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow designed to help you spend less time drafting and more time designing. Click the link below for more information about this digital product. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.